Hey guys, it's Brittany, and today I have another wig review for you guys. Today's wig review is going to be on Freetress Equals Invisible Part wig in the style UNICE, or you can call it UNICE, probably UNICE, but I'm so used to UNICE hair that I'm going to call this UNICE. So this is what she looks like. This is what she looks like on the model. And I have it in a color number 2. Now, with synthetic wigs, curly wigs are very hit or miss for me. And I've said that in several of my videos. So it's rare that I will like a curly synthetic wig. I have a favorite, which was Pop Blossom. That was my favorite curly wig of 2017. So, yeah, I just saw this on the site and the curl pattern looked like something I would like. I like my curly wigs to have a natural luster to them and the curl to be kind of like a beach wave kind of curl, like a beachy curl. So this curl pattern is very, very pretty. Nice little ringlets. This is another wig that did not come with lace to cut, and that's something I'm enjoying because cutting the lace is not a hard thing to do, but it's one less step you have to do. So that's what the parting space looks like. I've already tried to film this video, so I put powder in the parting space already. 2 combs in the front, 2 small combs in the front, a comb in the back, and it does have adjustable straps. I'm going to take my wig grip off just for a second, just so I can tell you guys if it is, what size cap it has. This wig has a, I'm going to say it's like a small to medium cap. It's not a large cap. So with this wig, you can wear it as a middle part, or you can wear it to the side. Oh, today I'm wearing it to the side. In my first video, I wore it as a middle part, but I feel like this is going to look good as a side, on the side today. So I'm going to put my wig grip on and then wear it to the side today. Alright guys, so I'm back and I have finished styling this wig. So I'm just going to tell you some other things that I did off camera, because I was taking pictures and you guys saw me style it and bring a little bit of my edges out. And I added powder to the parting space, but with this particular wig as a side part, I would not utilize the parting space at all, because first of all, you're going to see the line of demarcation, which you can fix if you put a little bit of got to be glue underneath the parting space at the beginning. But it's just not necessary to have a parting space with this texture of hair and with this style. You could utilize the parting space if you wore it as a middle part, but even then, I don't think you necessarily have to do that. But especially as a side part, I wouldn't utilize parting space. So what I did was, I took a little bit of the hair that was on this side and I put it in front of the parting space to conceal it, and I kind of rubbed out the powder that I had in my parting space, and it was still looking a little bit like artificial as far as the hairline goes. So what I did was I pulled out more of my natural edges to make it look more natural, and it worked. So to me, that is a con with this wig, because some people don't have very thick edges, or they don't have, you know, hair at all to blend out with the wig. So if you do suffer from, you know, hair loss or you have thin edges, you might want to go with a lace front wig so you don't have to pull out that much hair. That's probably my only con, because I think this wig is very beautiful, and I'm gonna have footage of what this wig looked like fresh out the pack so you guys can see what that looks like. But this wig got really big. Like, this is some big hair as well, but it's not super long, so I feel like that's a good thing about it. It's big, but it's not long. I'm 6 feet tall, and this falls on me about, I'm gonna say about 16 inches actually. 16 to 18 inches long. And this is what it looks like in all directions. Has a very full density. Now, with that being said, even though it's full, it's not heavy, not in my opinion. Will you get hot in this wig? You probably will still get hot in this wig, but I think it's so beautiful. This looks like vacation hair, and I know a lot of people say that, you know, but I'm for real. This looks like some vacation hair. This is so pretty. I love this. And sometimes it takes me a while to kind of hit my stride with certain wigs, like getting it exactly how I want it. I feel like this one, once I like get everything how I want it, I'm probably going to be wearing this one a lot as well. For a second, I was kind of getting over synthetic wigs. Like, honestly, I was. But the last batch of wigs that I bought myself and that I got from Truffled, they have been like so beautiful. So I'm loving my synthetic wigs again. And I don't remember how much this was, but a lot of like Freetress, this particular line of Freetress wigs that don't come with lace, they tend to be like $25 and below, but I'll put that on the screen somewhere for you guys, or I'll put that in the title of the video, how much it costs and everything like that. I have gotten some shedding. With curly wigs, I don't run my hands through it unless I'm fluffing it out. Yeah, so if I left out anything in this video that you would like to know about this wig, please let me know, and I'll try to get back to you as quickly as possible. I want to thank you guys so much for supporting my channel. If you have not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe. I would like to hit 100K this year. March made 5 years that I've been on YouTube. Yeah, 100K would be awesome. So if you have not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe. Share it with your friends and family. Give this video a thumbs up. And turn on your notifications so you'll be notified every time I do another upload. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.